Lift cleaning. The main purpose of this task is to ensure that any dirt or dust is removed from all surfaces in a lift in a safe, secure and controlled manner. Before you start work, check the appropriate safe system of work, including chemical safety data sheet, COSH assessment and risk assessment before commencing the task. Ventilate the area where possible. Clean your hands as per the local policy. Check for cuts and abrasions. Cover with a waterproof dressing if required. Select, check and put on appropriate PPE as per the risk assessment. Please refer to the national standards for healthcare cleanliness. Assemble colour-coded equipment and/or machinery. Using appropriate PPE, prepare the approved cleaning, disinfecting agent according to manufacturer's instructions. Place caution signs. Ensure cleaning chemicals, disinfecting agents are kept safely locked away, either in the trolley or cleaning cupboard at all times, including in between tasks. Check for any damage to the area and report it in line with local policy. If you notice any signs of pest infestation, report as required. The tools you'll need to clean a lift are caution signs, appropriate PPE as per the risk assessment, hand bucket, cloths, mopping system, bucket with cleaning disinfecting agent, vacuum cleaner, high-level dusting tool, waste bag. We'll now talk you through how to clean a lift. This task should only be performed whilst causing minimum disruption to users. The lift should be isolated. Refer to the site policy. Make sure the work area is safe. Remove any high-level dust and debris using the correct tool. Systematically wipe all internal parts of the lift from top to bottom, back to front, leaving touch points till last, and clean with a new clean cloth. Using either a mopping system or vacuum cleaner, dependent upon the floor surface, clean the floor area from back to front. When mopping, use an S-shaped motion. Make sure the vacuum cleaner cable does not cause a trip hazard and that the lift doors cannot close on the cable. Make sure attention is paid to the door tracks and runners. Using the appropriate cleaning disinfectant agent, clean the lift doors. When dry, buff the doors using a dry cloth. Make sure the area is fully dry before reinstating for use and remove caution signs. When you've finished the task, check all areas are completed, correctly dispose of or clean materials used as per your local policy. Always check with your supervisor if you are unsure. Dispose of any waste or debris as per your local policy. If using cleaning disinfecting agents, ensure you lock them away safely. Clean and dry all equipment. Clean and remove caution signs when the area is safe and dry. Store equipment away safely. Charge battery or machinery as per manufacturer's instructions. Correctly dispose of all PPE. Clean your hands. Close ventilation where necessary.